Hey there, how's it going? This is Don with the DIY Collaborative, and today I just wanted to share a little short tip with you. We've got a lot of these hose reels around our property that we use with these hoses, and I think this one is a 100-foot hose. And not in every application that we need to water, like we've got this one stretched out right now over to the what we call the bob bed. It's a little raised garden bed where we've got some various things growing in it. And you only need so much length. So we're never really sure how much hose to pull out. So today I just wanted to share a little short tip with you that I thought might be helpful. I've just got some red electrical tape that I'm going to take, and I'm just going to put just a little mark. These are always fun when they're new. To get started, I'm just going to take and put a little mark with some red tape right on the hose right here, just like this. Just a small loop, and it should, hold up pretty well outdoors. And now what that's going to allow for is the next time we're unreeling this to use it and we get to this point, I'll know that that's enough hose to go to that location. And I've even seen people like a friend of ours, they'll maybe put, like, if they know they're going to the furthest most point that they need to reach, they might put 2 marks or 2 pieces of tape spaced apart to let them know that that's the most distance that they would need if they're not using the full amount. Now, if you're needing to go the full amount, just pull it all out and you're done. But there's no reason to unroll all of this if you don't need it. And then when it's rolled up, you won't ever see that tape anyway. So just a short, helpful, handy tip.